our own political party and to stand for the coming elections. Because in democratic country, we will have to have the mandate of the people to fight for our rights.
Sir, are you planning for this coming MP election?
Certainly, we are planning for that. Yeah, some of us can speak also.
From Meghalaya.
Yeah, from Meghalaya. And in resort terrain, he knows. In resort terrain, can say. It is unfortunate, and we condemn the incident because the whole of Northeast India, not only in Tripura, we have been opposing and we have been launching agitation. In Assam, we have not been so mercilessly beaten up till now, and Meghalaya, everywhere we have not been beaten up. But in Tripura, where the Chief Minister himself is said to be a foreigner, he is leading, a foreigner is beating up the Indian people. It is most unfortunate, we condemn it severely. Now for that, I suggest that Mr. B.K. Rangkhol, he is from there and he is the most important person, leader from there. I think he will speak better.
Okay, thank you so much. And I'm grateful. Yesterday we have resolved to condemn the firing must reach to Tripura. And we would like to invite this house also, this forum also, to make a visit and have some program also in Tripura. And we are so grateful that we have been able to stand together, sit together, discuss together. And nothing is differences from each tribes also, each regionalism also. So I believe our self-determination, which is directly not mentioned in the constitution of the Indigenous Mongolian People's Confederation, but everywhere I found we need integrity and our issues are to be taken. So today we have heard many important speeches and we are really enlightened. And we are appealing to our young generation to come up. Because our generation had done something, we have also been able to achieve something. And we can tell the next generation, this movement we have launched and this what we have achieved. Now, in one generation, it will be difficult because 99% of the strength of all government, including India government and Northeastern government, are not our government. It is a government of some other people, mostly excluding Mizoram. The rest belongs to some other people's strength. They are enjoying through economic, through some other temptation also. So I think we have to inspire our next generation to know the truth so that they can also say that I have fought a good fight. I have finished my course. I have kept my confidence. I have kept my stability. I have kept my word. So these kind of challenges be in the heart and mind of our next generation. of our age. We can inspire something. We can tell the achievement we have done. But what our next generation will stress to their next generation, what they have achieved. So this platform is important to take up all these issues very good plan-wise to set our goal. Without setting our goal and mission, it will be again falling on the way before we reach. So there will be so many hindrances and impediments also we are facing. In my 55 years of movement life, I today enjoy because I have done something. It may not be 100%, but we have been able to reach to many places, including United Nations also, where today people are aware. If this movement will go on strongly, we feel, we hope, the international body also will come and interfere. It will depend on our strategy only. We have to fight more and more. So from now, our next generation, the youngster, having your talent and your intelligence and your vision and mission and setting goals should be there, where we can go and launch our movement. And I wish this Indigenous Mongolian People's Confederation platform to go ahead, and God will surely bless the forum, the organization, that unless we believe that we are capable to do, nobody will give courage, nobody will help you. We fought ourselves fearlessly. We were beaten, we were cast into prison, but we are still enjoying it. We were not sort of beaten spiritually. They did not, I think, win on us. I used to tell in jail also, you can do anything, you can hang me, you can kill me, but you have failed to win my heart. So when this Chief Judicial Magistrate, other magistrate used to visit me in jail, Agartala Central Jail, I used to tell them, my tears was rolling from my eyes. I was so happy that I've been able to tell them, you can never win us. We will fight, we will carry on our struggle because we are fighting in the right way. And we have been persecuted, our rights have been taken away, right on land, right on administration, right on everywhere, because they have no point to challenge. Unless and until we are united, they are coming on our chest now. They will walk on our body now. So, my dear friends, my appeal, my respect to the leaders from different states, different careers, different background, as one of the senior citizens of India, keeping India as our head institution, keeping the constitution alive, which can give more power, stability to our society, has to be taken up on the floor of the House of Parliament, so that people will realize our next generation are there, and our present leadership will surely fight democratically, especially in the ensuing Parliament election, so that we can also plan someone from this platform to come out elected in the Parliament, so that they can speak very strongly and fight out our right. Thank you so much.
Mr. Rangkang, there are many versions with regards to the recent shootout on the students. What is your version?
My version is very clear. We condemn the incident. Nowhere in Northeast, nowhere in India also, those kind of barbarous step by these paramilitary people, those who have shot five young, they have water cannon also. Water cannon, they did not apply. Rubber bullet also there. Tear gas they have applied. Even these people have beaten and returned the patient who are traveling by ambulance. That also they have returned. And they targeting men, just they are very, very thirsty to kill us only. What I came to know, just to test their target, whether their target is right or wrong. So they shot and they discuss among themselves, yes, my target is right. Therefore they shot the statue of Maharaj Veer Bikram also. Especially they have targeted the crown on the head, even on the side also. They have broken the wrist of left arm also with their weapon. So it's very clear, and our Maharaj also counter it, saying that suppose our youngster, we will have some meeting in Agartala, if they break down this Rabindra Thakur's neck, if they break down this, what is that, Khudiram or this Subhash Chandra and others, and there is one statue there in stable ground. In stable ground of Vivekananda. Someday it may happen, that our people may break, not our people, but some people may break to condemn us, to blame us. So this is happening very unfortunately, and the powerful people, party in the power, is very much involved. And especially in Assam we have seen these Montos, what is their party's name? They have withdrawn. SGP had withdrawn. But in Tripura, they are not withdrawing. They are supporting to pass this citizenship amendment bill.
Who is not supporter? Who is not withdrawing?
It is IPFT people. They are giving statement in front of the press that they are supporting implementation of citizenship bill. We are very ashamed for them. We are very, very sorry. So we are insisting, we are approaching their young group and other women groups also to review their stand while in the government, because we expected they are in the government, they will be able to do something for our constitutional protection. But they are doing otherwise. So what will be the hope of the people of the state? So that very incident is condemnable. I am grateful. This party had already recorded in the resolution condemning the incident.
Yeah, one thing I want to add, that one group of people from Borak Valley, I think, now it is working in Karbi Anglong and some other places, saying that they want a separate state for Borak Valley, and then they would help us, Karbi Anglong and NCLs, to get a separate state, autonomous state, and but to support them in amendment of the Citizenship Act. We do not want such kind of thing, because we are not so much against the state of Assam. We want the integrity of the state of Assam. We do not want to finish off the Assamese people, because they are also our brothers and sisters. We want them to flourish. We only want autonomous state. By demanding autonomous state, we do not want to join the Bongosenas who want to have a separate state of their own, and then to finish us off through that ploy. We do not want that one.
In Assam, there is one minister, health minister, who has been advocating for bringing the people from outside on the basis of religion, and by doing so, there will be safety of the indigenous people. What is your say?
Assamese people are also Hindus. They can multiply themselves. Why bring from others? They will not multiply themselves and bring from others. And according to my knowledge, as they told me, the Bengali people themselves told me that it was because of the atrocities of the high caste Bengali Hindus on the Nomosudros, Bengali Nomosudros. These Nomosudros became Muslims. So according to that, if this is true, and I think it is true, then the Bengali Hindus are the producers of Muslims. If we bring more Bengali Hindus, they may turn out to be Muslims later on. So there is no guarantee, because they themselves are the producers of Muslims.
Don't you think in a secular country, the health minister statement violates?
Yes, it is unconstitutional. It is anti-national and unconstitutional. This kind, everything based on religion must not be done.